No.
What?
No.
Mackenzie, just eat and be quiet for a few minutes.
Shelly, what are we doing today?
Nothing. Going to the moon.
Hi everybody. So we're at the beach. It's a really beautiful day out here actually to be here, and I have with me Cassie in a little peach outfit, and Mackenzie has her baby Lexi here, and I have Mark, and he's in a little shirt that says "My dad has superpowers," and then I have little.
Do you need more size, Sherry?
Pat it really tight, really tight.
Like this, Sherry?
Yep, put more in there. That's good. Now put more.
Why is it coming out, Sherry?
Put more in there and pat it down really tight.
More?
That's good. Now really tight, just like, yeah. Okay. All right. Now you're going to tip it over right there and see if it works out. Right there.
Okay. Has to be nice and flat, right, Sherry?
Yeah.
Is this good?
Okay, that's good. Now try it. Do it really quick and let it sit for a moment.
It's heavy, Sherry. Oh, help me. It's heavy. Sherry.
Okay, try. Quick. Oh, no. I don't know if it's going to work. Push it down really tight. Pat it really hard. That's it.
That works, Sherry?
Really tight. Do it again. That's it. Okay, now lift it off. Yay! Go like this. Yay! What? I don't know.
It's like, why can't they walk back there? Why do they have to like walk right in front of you? That's so weird.
Look at the birds. Mark and Cassie are having so much fun in the sand. Look at our castle, everybody. Look at our castles. We built a village.
Hey, Cassie.
And don't touch it with the hands. It's hard to do, but...
Sherry.
Huh? What? Won't hurt this camera. It's spitting a little bit out here, but you know what's really nice? Makes everybody leave. We get the beach to ourselves. Yay! Hi, Carol. Hi, Judy. Hi, Lorraine. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Hi, Heather. Bye.
Sherry got get out the water. Sherry, you gotta help me.
What's the matter, Shelly?
Hello again, everybody, and welcome to Sakoni Lake. As most of you already know, we are running some games and activities for kids of all ages.
Are you
in honor
cold?
of National Drowning Prevention Week.
Down you go. Down you go. Down, 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 down. Woohoo! Again, one more time, and you'll be warm.
By the waterfront to participate in Safer Story to learn about water safety.
Come on, one more time. You can do it. You can do it.
Stay there.
Oh, stay that way. Now move your arm.
Sherry, help me. Sherry.
Nice, eh?
Sherry,
Now you'll stand up and go back down.
It's freezing.
Yes, and it's so warm.
Sherry, he's cold, Sherry. Sherry.
What?
It's cold, Sherry.
It's warm.
Sherry,
Go down again, and you'll be even warmer.
Sherry, help me. Sherry.
Help you what? Are you dying?
Feels gross in here, your hands.
What is our baby Sherry?
Our babies are fine. Nobody's touching them.
Are you sure, Sherry?
Oh, it's so nice. You did it! Yay! Now just keep moving around like that and you'll be nice and warm.
Sherry, somebody's coming.
Oh.
Sherry.
Charlie, your mom is...
Sherry, hold Sherry.
I'm gonna take a video of me.
Sherry.
We're bad. Goofing in the water. It's actually really nice. It really is.
Sherry,
I'm happy. Mackenzie, help me, help me. Help us. We're dying.
Sherry, help me.
Help me. Help me. Help me. Help me. I have to go to the wash. Okay, bye.